look at this Casio F200. This is one of the cheapest Casio digital watches. It costs only $20, sometimes even cheaper when it on sale. So I bought this one around $70, so it's quite a bargain. And yes, let's unbox and take a look at what's inside, and we're gonna have a quick review of this watch. Okay, as you can see, this even it is a cheap, I would say the cheapest of those Casio watches, but it don't look bad at all. It has this packaging, and it has all the information, almost all the information that you might want to know. The water resistance on this, unfortunately, I think it's only those kind of splash, like 30 meters. So I wouldn't take it, on a rainy day. But this, that is a downside. But the battery on this is 10 years battery, so it's quite dull. A battery, with a price of under $20, 10 years battery. Sometimes you change the battery, it costs $10. So this is one of the reasons I pick up this one. And it has a LED light and stopwatch function. Okay, now let's take it outside. Okay, and there is okay, I think this is a model. This is a general manual description. It has a warranty card. It's quite a thick papers. Okay, it has a warranty card here. You write if you have problem. But I don't think we will use this. After all, this is quite a cheap watch. Alright, let's take a look at the watch itself. Okay, as you can see, this is a quite simple, I would say, black. The color of black is always one of the best choice when you intend to buy a cheap digital watch. The black color is always a safe color and maybe the coolest color for me. Okay, here is a protector, screen protector. Okay, it has a weekend, a date, and a time display. It is shows a dual time, so it has you can set 2 times in different places, maybe different countries, different places, and it has a alarm function. You can adjust the time here, please. And here is the information, 10-year battery. Here is a light. This watch is made of resin, so the glass is not a mineral crystal, it's a resin, I think. So it can be an issue. You definitely will catch scratches easily. But considering this is a $20 watch and has those functions that you need, so I wouldn't complain. Okay, the size of this is electrolyte is 44 millimeters. The width, case size wise, is 40 millimeters. The thickness is 11.5 millimeters. It looks quite small. I mean, maybe it's because the case is off-like, so it looks a little bit small. But when you put on your wrist, it don't look so small. But if you like those chunky ones, this might look a little bit small. But this one is very light. It's only 28 grams, so it's quite light. So this is a very good companion if you take it to travel. So you won't worry about being stolen by some thieves. If you go travel abroad, this might be a good choice. Besides, it has the dual time function, so this might be a good travel partner if you go travel abroad. Okay, the model number here is F200. It has a stainless steel back. This one is made in Thailand. Alright, let's put it on my wrist, see how it looks on my 6.3 inch wrist. Alright, as you can see, it don't look too small or too huge. It just fits very well, and it don't look odd at all because of black case. It looks kind of cool to me, and for a cheap watch like this one. It has a function that I need. Has a date, and an accurate time. The accuracy on this one is around 30 seconds minus 30 seconds, or 30 seconds plus every month, per month. So it's quite accurate for a watch like this, because it's a quartz, of course. This watch is quite compact, I think. You can just watch, outside your wrist. You can behind your wrist. It's also can be hidden easily, so it won't bother you. Especially winter, you wear some thick clothes, such as a coat. This can be a very good choice. I was the one I reviewed before. This is actually kind of a trouble, not a trouble. I mean, it can be. If I wear a windbreaker in winter or a heavy coat, sometimes it can be hard to take out. So the size is an issue too. So I prefer wear this one in winters. Okay, now let's take a look at the LED light, see how it glows in dark. Okay, that's all. Thank you guys. See you in the next video.